Welcome to this walkthrough of Fun with Friends. Have you ever wondered how many interesting people pass by you every day? Someone with a great story or a shared interest could be closer than you think. In this video, we will explore what Fun with Friends is, why users prefer it over other platforms, how the application works, and take a closer look at its features, design, and user experience. Fun with Friends is a simple chatting platform that lets you connect with people around you without needing any credentials, email address, or phone number. If someone within your radius is using the app, you'll be connected instantly. It's that simple to meet new people. Why choose Fun with Friends? Unlike other platforms that require account creation, logins, and waiting for friend requests, our app eliminates those barriers. There's no email or phone number needed. Just open the app to connect instantly with people nearby. How does it work? Once you open the app, tap Connect. The app searches for others in your radius using the same service. Once a nearby match is found, you are connected instantly to start your conversation. Now, let's take a closer look at the app's interface. The landing page is designed to be clear and welcoming, giving you an overview of the platform. You will find a prominent Connect button to begin your journey and start meeting people around you. When you tap Connect, the app begins searching for nearby users. The system automatically identifies individuals within a 50-meter radius, and you will be connected to them in just a few seconds. Once a connection is made, you can start a friendly chat immediately. Use this space to exchange ideas, share experiences, and make new connections with people in your immediate vicinity. You can end your conversation at any time by selecting Leave Chat from the menu. Additionally, if you move out of range from the other user, the chat will end automatically. Thank you for exploring Fun with Friends. We hope you are excited to start making meaningful connections. This product was developed by Atif and Sai Amarendra Reddy. Before we wrap up, don't forget to scan the QR code to try Fun with Friends yourself. We hope you have a great time connecting with those around you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.